So, a lot of you folks have been kind of wondering, does Night Train even fly FPV anymore? So, due to the fact it feels like 95, the winds are blowing, we're going to cruise around a little bit, see how this does. So, hope you guys enjoy. Yeah, it's all fired up.
DSHOT detected. Ready.
Fire from the cannons. When the smoke clears, we're still standing. Yes, we stand our ground. Fire from the cannons. When the smoke clears, we're still standing. Yes, we stand our ground. See a day that's coming up ahead. A sad day when all the real ones are dead. Better load up your pistols, your rifles, and your shotguns. Better pray and read the Bible if you got one.
I could've did this long ago, but my time would've came and faded. And God said just do right, better live right and be patient. There's a day coming up when they gon' need to hear your words. All your trials and tribulations, all the wisdom that you have learned. They gon' burn down the cities and divide this whole nation. One nation under God, and we ain't riding with you, Satan. Not the woods, we come racing, patriotic with pistols blazing. Let them cannons get the banging for this younger generation. Let them grow up and live just the way we did. Let our kids have a chance before that chance is over with. I'm being nice as I can get, and I'm trying to be a friend. But if you cross that damn line, Lord forgive me for my sins. Now they gon' have to kill us, so chase us out of town. But we ain't giving up, and we ain't laying down. Man, we straight up raising hell until they put us in the ground. So you better back up when you hear that sound of the
fire from the cannons. When the smoke clears, we're still standing. Cause we stand our ground.
Tell them
fire from the cannons.
Come on.
When the smoke clears, we're still standing. Cause we stand our ground. See a day that's coming up ahead. A sad day when all the real ones are dead. Better load up your pistols, your rifles, and your shotguns. Better pray and read the Bible if you got one. Daddy told me don't you ever back down. Don't let them take your land, don't let them take your house. We don't give a damn what you think you're gonna do. All the lies that you tell them, what you say and do. Some men ain't built for this. Some men tuck their tail and hide. Some men really live for this. And as for me and all of mine, we stand up for everything we believe in. Love strong and we put our family first. So while I'm here still alive and I'm breathing, you cross the line, we gon' put you in the dirt. I see a day that's coming up ahead. A sad day when all the real ones are dead. Better load up your pistols, your rifles, and your shotguns. Better pray and read the Bible if you got one.
They gon' have to kill us, so chase us out of town. But we ain't giving up, and we ain't laying down. Man, we straight up raising hell until they put us in the ground. So you better back up when you hear that sound of the
fire from the cannons. When the smoke clears, we're still standing. Cause we stand our ground.
Tell them
fire from the cannons.
Come on.
When the smoke clears, we're still standing. Cause we stand our ground.
They gon' have to kill us, so chase us out of town. But we ain't giving up, we ain't laying down. Man, we straight up raising hell until they put us in the ground. So you better back up when you hear that sound of the
fire from the cannons. When the smoke clears, we're still standing.
Tagged a prop. Yeah, I did. She's a little twisted bent. She's flyable. I love HQ props. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that one.